here we have to find the angle between A and B vectors. A is given by 3i hat minus 4j hat. So we know that they are our x and y components of A vector. And vector B is given as negative 2i hat plus 3k hat. So I and k correspond to x and z directions, and there's no j component or the y component in B. So by definition of the dot product, we know that A dot B is AB cosine theta. So this is the theta that we need to find. So let's look at the left hand side and the right hand side separately. So here we have our left hand side, which is A dot B. And by definition, that is AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. So what are those values? AX is 3 right here. BX is negative 2. So that's 3 times negative 2 plus AY. So AY here is negative 4. And BY, well, there's no BY here, so that is 0. Plus AZ, there's no AZ, so that is 0 as well. And then BZ here is 3. So this is multiplying our x components or the x terms, and then here it is the j hat. These are j hat terms, and here are the k hat terms. So let's just write that as I hat terms. Now let's look at the right hand side of the equation. So here, if you look at that first, there's 0 here, 0 here, so it's 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. So going back to right hand side, we have to have A, B cosine theta. So let's find A and B separately. So A vector is our y, is our x. So A is minus 3, positive 3i. We have positive 3 and then negative 4 on the y-axis. So we will have positive 3. This is our AX, which is 3. And then from there, we don't go back to the origin. From there, we draw our AY, which is negative 4. So from start to stop is our A vector. So magnitude of A is 3 squared plus 4 squared square root, which gives us 5. So let's draw our y vector. Let's draw our b vector, which is negative 2, positive 3. So let's do negative 2. So we are saying that this is our x, or the I hat, and here is our z, the k hat. So negative 3, negative 2, and then positive 3. So we go up 3. So this is our bz, which is positive 3. Would be our bx. So our vector would be from start to stop, and this is our b vector. So the magnitude of b would be negative 2 squared or 2 squared plus 3 squared, and we do square root, and that gives us 3.6. So now let's go back to our original equation here. So we have a left hand side, we have a right hand side. So on the left hand side we have a dot b, and then on the right hand side we have ab cosine of theta. So a dot b we found here as negative 6, and then a, magnitude of a here, from here we have 5, magnitude of b is 3.6, and then cosine theta. So cosine theta equals negative 6 divided by 5 times 3.6, and then theta is the cosine inverse of this number, and that is 109 degrees, which is the angle between the A and B vectors.